myself now. At the start it would have been quite difficult because people didn't know what you were at, and now certainly with the Cathy Tiger and a lot of sustainable building, and a lot of people wanting the local grown timber in their homes or a piece of local grown furniture. And at the start, and especially Noel there, he put a lot of work my way, and with a lot of contacts. It was like having a free secretary, promoter, and all that kind of thing. Terry McGrogan too, he put a lot of people in touch with me. Probably a TV unit or something out of it.
Okay, right. So he's happy to get the ornate.
Yeah. Oh, that's what he wants.
That's what he wants.
Yeah.
Okay.
He doesn't want plain, straightforward grade A timber. He wants the stuff with
the character.
Blemishes.
Yeah, blemishes.
And
okay. And where would you have got that tree from?
That's I'd say probably came from, I think around Newtown Go or something.
Would it have been an old estate or?
It wasn't. No, it was actually it was a council. It was a hedgerow.
If it wasn't for the likes of this sawmill here, what would have happened to the tree?
Probably firewood.
Firewood.
Firewood, or worse, dumped.
Dumped?
Yeah.
Do you think people here know about the value of, the potential value of these old trees?
No. They know they're valuable, but they either don't see any use for them, or the job has to go on so quick that it has to be done immediately. As far as I see, it's the future in this part of the world, because farming is uneconomic, and the land mass around here isn't able to carry the cattle and the slurry and the weather. It's not able to take it.
I mean, if you're looking at it as an economic proposition, I would have thought you'd have put in conifers, because that would have been at the time what your advice would have been, no?
Well, the advice at the time, yeah, but it wouldn't be that long we'd have too many conifers, and the valuable species would have been left neglected.
So probably has the fact that you would have an interest in sawmilling affected your choice of species?
Yes.
So you'd recognise the higher value in the hardwoods?
And the conifers, the main conifers I put in was a mixture of Norway spruce and Western red cedar.
Okay. Again for the timber that you're familiar with?
For the value, especially the Western red cedar. I was always advised when I was by older people, when they said whenever there's lots of something, you go at something, you know,